Do you enjoy listening to music on your free time? Well, you've landed in the right video because I'm going to demonstrate how you can start earning money while listening to music tracks that are identical to the ones that are currently playing and how you can access other music just like it. As you can see in this example, you have the potential to earn $5, $10, or even $25. You can see that there are literally pages upon pages of people from different parts of the world using this method to make money online. These people come from different countries. Make sure you are prepared by having your laptop or smartphone ready to use. This method requires no investment whatsoever because it is completely free. You will be able to accomplish this goal even if you are a beginner and have never been successful in making money online in the past. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first website that I'll be showing you for this video is called mixkit.co. Type it in your browser search bar and hit enter. This will direct you automatically to the website's homepage. Mixkit is a website that provides you with access to free assets that you may use in your upcoming video project. You'll find a free gallery of excellent stock video clips, free tracks, sound effects, and video templates in this section of the site. However, we will not create any new projects. There's no need to panic, and we are going to use this website mostly to listen to music, and then we are going to make money out of it. Now, I want you to go to the very top and click the tab labeled Music. As you go down the page, you will discover all of these incredible pieces of royalty-free stock music that we plan to use on this website in order to generate income for ourselves. You're allowed to use any of these audio tracks, and there is no requirement that you provide attribution or even register for an account on their website. This website is home to figuratively hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of music tracks. In addition, I will provide you with at least 3 unique tips in this video that will assist you in increasing the amount of money you generate through the use of this website. At this point, I need you to scroll up to the top of the website and locate the button labeled Genre. If you drag your mouse point over it, it will immediately display the various categories of music that can be found on this website. For the time being, I want you to select the acoustic genre category from the drop-down menu. After that, you will come across this compilation of free acoustic music that is available for download without charge in any way, shape, or form. Now let's listen to this song right here, and you can begin listening to it by clicking the play button on this page. But you are not required to listen to the whole song because we're going to do this with thousands of other songs as well. Now I need you to find the download button, which should be located directly below the play button. Simply by clicking the download icon, you will be able to save the song to your personal computer. Once the download is complete, repeat the process with the remaining tracks using the same technique. And in order to maximize your financial gain by utilizing this strategy, I need you to continue doing this and download as many music tracks onto your computer as you possibly can. You can download tracks coming from different genres aside from acoustic. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now that you have downloaded tracks, let's move on to the next website. It's called uploadforever.com. This website is the hub for uploading files and photographs, and in addition to being free, it pays you for your contributions. Simply put, what we're going to do is upload all of the music tracks that we just downloaded from Mixkit, and we're going to gain money each and every time someone downloads your music files from Upload Forever. As I mentioned earlier, this is a pretty simple method that you can utilize to make easy money online. All you will be doing is just downloading any music and uploading the track onto Upload Forever. If you want to make easy money online, this method is for you. They have a 4-tier system of compensation on this site, which categorizes your earnings based on the number of downloads that you get from a particular source. Tier 1 downloads includes those from the United States and Canada. Tier 2 countries include Australia and New Zealand. Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates are in Tier 3, whereas the rest of the globe is in Tier 4. In other words, countries in Tier 4 will pay you at least $3, while countries in Tier 3 and 2 pay roughly $4, and countries in Tier 1 pay around $7. Now, as you scroll down further on the page, you can see that this website has 5 current profit modes. As one of the profit modes, they offer PPD, PPS, and mix to their customers. In this case, you will receive a percentage of the total downloads in addition to the profit generated by referring someone else to use the service using your referral link. You can also make money through referrals who register through your referral link. To attract as many members as possible, you can place referral banners on your website or include them in your signature on online discussion forums. The final method for making money on this site is to sell files. You can begin selling your files through your account at a price that you choose for each item, and you can earn up to 80% of the sale price for each file you sell. The fact that you have a choice of over 20 payment methods is also something to be excited about. Payments can be received no matter where you are because they'll give you access to the most widely used electronic bank. PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, and many others are just a few of the ways you can transfer money to and from the site. They also have a very low minimum payout of $1, which means that you can withdraw money as soon as you earn your first dollar. Now, all you need to do is create an account on this website. Click the sign up button just found right at the top of the website. The sign up process is actually very easy. It will take you less than a minute to complete. Just fill out the form with your username, password, and email address. Click the tiny box to verify that you are not a robot, and then click the sign up button once you are done. To add, you will also be given the option to sign up using Facebook account and your Google account for an easier and faster method. I want you to go here as your account is complete and click where it says welcome and then choose my account. After that, you will be brought to your dashboard. This is a brand new account, and later on I will demonstrate step by step on how you may create your very own account so that you can start making money quickly and easily. By the way, ensure that you click the button labeled payment information and finish choosing the payment method of your choice before moving on. Choose the appropriate category for you below. And then click the save button when you're done. Go to the left side of this page and click on Upload Files. On this page, you will actually begin uploading the music files we downloaded previously to this website. Please take note of the precautions at the top of this page before you begin downloading. Your account may be terminated if you upload any material that violates our terms of service. Secondly, you should check that your ad blocker is disabled, as this may interfere with the upload process. We'll start uploading the music files as soon as you click this button, and when it's done, you'll be able to see it right here. Here's an extra tip: make sure you choose public so that other people can listen to your music file. Make sure to fill in the name of your music track and the name of the artist as well. To do this, go to the Mixkit website and look up the name of the song and the name of the artist. Then you can type them into the box right here to make your files as efficient as possible. When you're done, click Start Upload and wait a few seconds. Depending on how fast your internet connection is, the process will be done and it will say files uploaded. The next thing you'll do is set a price for your music files so that every time someone downloads it, at least $7 will go to you. Repeat the process as many times as you're able to, returning to the Mixkit website to download music tracks from there and getting paid for those music tracks for a very long period, providing that you have this all set up correctly. And that's all you have to do. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.